Greetings to all. My name is Paul John, and this is my 6th e-record for the dbms lab. And this e-record is all about views. A view can be considered as a temporary table. It's a set actually. You cannot call it as a table. The difference between a materialized view and a normal view is that materialized view, whenever you create it, it is stored into the database. But for a normal view, it's not so. This is the record that a PDF that I've created for the exercise. I've been given 8 questions. Let's see what the questions are. Create a view. Let me just move this so that you have a better view. Create a view having car ID as ID number and type color. Here I have the output screenshot of what I have done. You can see the create command. The create command uses create view keyword and the view name. Here the view name I have used is view1. Now as you can see, I have made the PDF. I mean, this is the spool file which I have spooled during while I have doing this thing. See, create or replace view view1 ID number type color price as select cd.car. These are all the whatever I need to select from the table. This is the row names that need to be included in the view, like displayed as, and these from the table as select. This is a query that selects the table, the rows, the attributes like the columns from the table, which has to be come under these titles. As you can see, car ID, car type, color, and base price per day, all that. Now, for the second question, we have. Sorry on that. It always messes me up. Okay, the second question is update the view above view by arranging the car type in alphabetic order. So as you can see, the view over here is the command is create view view2 as select p dot car id as id number, p dot car type as car type, c dot color, p dot base price per day from price details to p car details, c where p dot car id equal to c dot car id, order by type ASC. Here we are we have to ascending order. We have to find the ascending order of whatever our output is. Here we have to do it with the ascending order of the car type. So as we can see, it says in ascending order. It's CLMV, which is in ascending order of the alphabet. Now for the spool file over here. This is a spool file, and the query is also given. Now let's move on to the next question. That is the display the names of the car whose price is more than the average price from the above created view. Select type from view1. So here what you have to do is we have to display the name of the cars from the price details table whose price is more than the average price from the created view. So we'll have to select type from view1 where base price per day is greater than. We have to use a subquery to select the average base price per day from the above created thing, the view. So that's it. That's what the output we get. Now for the fourth question, create the complex view having the car names, booking date, and custody. Select view complex as select c dot car type, b dot custody, b dot booking date from car details 1 c bookings b where c dot car id equal to b dot car id. That's the query. So here what we are doing is we are creating a complex view which has the car names, booking date, and custody. We have to merge the car details table, the bookings table, and the customers table. And that's what we are doing over here. We are selecting view complex as select c dot car type. We are using c, like c, we have here from car details 1 and c dot then bookings. Then we are using two tables, and then we are using the car ID to identify which is common between them. Now for the next question, this is the output of what we get. And for the next question, create the view that displays all the details of all cars which belongs to the category luxury. We have to create a view that displays all details of cars which belong to the luxury category. So the query is create view name as select, here is select car ID, registration number, color, car type from car details. You can also use the asterisk symbol. Here I have specified the each row, it's not necessary. And from car details 1, that's the view name, then where car type is BMW. The car type is BMW. Okay, like luxury is mentioned, but I have used the Ford and I have used BMW over here. That's same thing will work for luxury, but I did it with BMW at that time. If you want, you can try because it will work for both BMW as well as luxury. Whatever type you want, you'll be able to get it. Then delete the car record from the above view. This is the 6th question. You have delete the record from the view which you have created for the 5th question, where the price is more than 500. Create or replace view 3 as, this is a query. We can use the create or replace, that is in case the view you have already created, you are editing it, then a new view will not be created, but if it already exists, then it will be edited. So from price details 1, P, that is the view, we are selecting it from a view, where P dot car type is equal to car and P dot base price per day is greater than 500. The query is self-explanatory. This is the output that we get. And for the 7th question, we have to create an index, and the command used for that is create index in on bookings on booking date. And this is what we have used. This is the command used, and we get it. We get the output. For the 8th question, create the sequence for the booking number and automatically increment. So we have to create a sequence. Index and sequence is also like a table view. It's also a different entities available in SQL. Oracle. So the command used is create sequence on booking number 1, and that's the view name from which you have to make it. And we have to increment it by 1 value, and the maximum value up to which it can be incremented is 250. And this is the output, the query, and sequence has been created, as you can see. So that's it. That's the end of all 8 questions given for me in this exercise, and everything has been compiled successfully. That's it. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.